So, will your own doctor help you in your medical malpractice case? Hi, I'm Frank Spector, medical malpractice lawyer in Maryland and in DC. And just the other day, I had a phone call with a potential client. We were talking about her medical malpractice case. And in the course of that conversation, she said to me, I've mentioned this to my doctor, and my doctor really thinks that what the other doctor did was wrong. And I was wondering whether you think my doctor will help me and come to court and testify on my behalf. It's a really good question. It's a question that I get a lot. I had to tell her, though, that in 33 years of doing medical malpractice, usually I try to avoid saying these things in such definite terms, but in 33 years, I've never had the experience of someone's doctor willing to come to court to testify on their behalf. And I explained to her why. Number one, most doctors don't want to get involved in the litigation process because they know that it is very time consuming. And also, if they put themselves in litigation, they're going to be asked a lot of questions. They're going to have to do a lot of work on the case. But more importantly, they don't want to go through the scrutiny of having to be called into court and to be cross-examined. And I'll be doing some other videos on a medical expert and what is involved with a medical expert. But the short answer is they really don't want to get involved in the litigation process. Number two, they really don't want to be seen as being an advocate for a patient against their fellow doctors. And that's why a medical expert is someone that we retain that is usually not from Maryland or DC, because doctors in Maryland and in DC, including your own doctors, really don't want to get involved in being your advocate because they will be perceived as somehow turning against their own. So that's number two. And the third reason is that it's almost maybe not a good idea, because being a medical expert is a specific skill set that requires a lot of experience and a lot of time. And most doctors who want to testify in court, quite frankly, are not really that good at it because they haven't taken the time to develop that skill set. And again, I'll be doing a more intense video about medical experts and what is involved. So even though you may think that your doctor is going to be helpful to you, the truth is that they will not be on your side, and you can't really expect them to testify on your behalf. So I hope you found this video informative. Please hit that subscribe button so that you can take advantage of all of my future videos. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again on a future video.